In this video, we'll explore how to create a tag and test communications. Upon the creation of an I/O device within our project, we will be prepared to incorporate variable tags for establishing communication with an external device. To import tags from an external device, click the Import Tags button. Then, choose the I/O device name and the protocol used by your I/O device from the combo box. In this example, we are using OPC UA. At this point, we will explore, choose, and incorporate the tags we wish to import into the Plant SCADA project. In this scenario, we will select the counter tag and add it to the list. After pressing the OK button, the tags will be imported into the list.
Continue with the full technical tutorial at ctiresources.com.my/knowledge-base.